Hello, good day. Now let's find the value of x and y from the equation 3x plus y plus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 2x plus y plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 5x plus y plus 2 divided by 6. Okay, now what it simply means that this first expression here is equals to this, the second one. The first one can also be equal to the third one. Similarly, the second expression can also be equal to the third expression. But we observe that from the denominator here, we have 3, 2, and 6. We need to clear the fraction by first of all looking for the LCM of 3, 2, and 6. And the LCM of 3, 2, and 6 is 6. So we need to multiply through by 6. In that case, it simply means that this becomes 6 times the first expression, 6 times the second expression. Here we also have 6 times the third expression here. So here 6 divided 6, 2 divided by 6, we obtain 3. And here 3 divided 6, we obtain 2. So we have to rewrite this. This is 2 into 3x plus y plus 1, then you close the bracket, is equals to 3 into 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 5x plus y plus 2. Okay, now we need to open this bracket by multiply by the constant term outside. For the first one here, 2 times 3s, that gives us 6x plus 2 times y, that gives 2y plus 2 times 1 is equals to 2, is equals to, here we open the bracket to 3 times 2s, that gives 6x, then 3 times y, that gives 3y, 3 times 1 also gives 3, is equals to 5x plus y plus 2. Okay, it simply means that we can rewrite this one, assuming this one is A, this is B, and this is also C. So we can say that A is equals to B. Similarly, we can also say that B is equals to C, and we can also say that A is equals to C. So we use this to form equations and resolve it. So here, let's A is equals to B. That means we have a 6x plus 2y plus 2 is equals to 6x plus 3y plus 3. So let's solve this first. 6x will collect like term, 6x with 6x off. What we have here is 2y minus, this is plus 3y. As it come to the left hand side, become minus 3y. So here we have 3. As 2 move to the right hand side, become a negative, was minus 2. So 2y minus 3y, that gives us just minus y, is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. Now for us to obtain the value of y, we divide both sides by minus 1, so that y here is equals to negative 1. Okay, so we have obtained the value of y. Now let's see how it's possible for us to also obtain the value of x by combining, by letting b is equals to c. So b is 6x plus 3y plus 3, and c is equals to 5x plus y plus 2. Okay, now we also collect like terms here. 6x, here we have a plus 5s, as is moving to the left hand side become negative 5s. So here we have a plus 3y. This y here on the right hand side, as it's moving to the left hand side, become minus y. So here this constant term need to move to the right hand side, so that here we have a 2 minus 3. So 6x minus 5s, that give just x. Then 3y minus y, that gives 2y. So here 2 minus 3 give a negative 1. Okay, but we know that the value of y is 2. So here 2 times minus 1 gives minus 2 is equals to minus 1. Now for us to obtain s, we move minus 2 to the right hand side. This become positive 2. 2 minus 1. So x here is equals to 1. So we see that x is 1 and y is minus 1. So but we can also check. We can also do some checking here by looking at the equation given. Okay, here what is to be obtained here? For the first one, we have 3x, s is 1, so that means 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So this and this is off. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Let's try the other one. 2 times 1 is 2, then y is minus 1 plus 1, divide by 2. You see, this is off. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So let's go for the last one. 5 times 1 is 5, minus 1, plus 2 divided by 6. Here, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 divided by 6. You see that our workings are completely correct. So please, if you like this video, please help me subscribe and also share on your social media platform.